Hello, what's your name?
Hi, myself Ayush Rajput and I am from B first year mechanical engineering.
So, did you have any pre-knowledge about IoT before this workshop?
Actually not, I didn't have any pre-knowledge about IoT, but I had just heard the name. In this workshop I had learned many things like how it has many practical advantages and applications.
Okay. How this workshop helped to increase your knowledge about IoT?
Yeah, actually this workshop was really helpful for me as I am from a mechanical stream. I had some basic practical applications that I learned. I had a chance to see how Alexa works, how Google Assistant works, and some basic knowledge I had got with this workshop. And in the mechanical field, if we want to have some automated cars and technologies, we would need IoT.
Okay. What are your remarks for trainers?
Yeah, they were really very good. Actually, the trainers were very well trained. The Amir sir and were really amazing. They were working for 5 years on embedded system in Bangalore, and it was a huge, remarkable experience for us to work with them.
Okay. Thank you, Ayush.